championship is great. The teams are loving it. Every time contractors walk by, they go, how do I get involved? We have to say, hey, next year we'll be back here, bigger, more opportunities for them to participate.
We have a great group of guys out today, and it's very nice with the competition that's going on out here. We get all the contractors watching the other men do their lay, and it's a very interesting concept. They look at lines and joints and how they cut it, how they built it, and it's interesting to see the different concepts that come up from the contractors from around the country.
The interest level that we've had from this, everyone's excited about it, everyone comes out. We're drawing crowds out here continuously watching the installation, so it's good. It's probably the best way for them to learn how to do it properly. Looking at experts in the field actually doing installations.
The nice thing about it is it's going to create a draw. I mean, the contractor's going to hear about it, the buzz, the results, the trophy. You can see the crowd that we have out here. It's wonderful. I mean, they're coming out and first year out of the gates with this program. It's nice to see the turnout. The contractors are very interested in it. This year we had 8 teams. Next year we could have 20 teams.